Hey, David, thanks for joining me. Your trust law attorneys here. We're going to talk about how you obtain a copy of your trust from a trustee. So if you're a beneficiary and you can't get a copy of your trust from the trustee, what do you do? What rights do you have? David, tell me a little bit about the law in Virginia and how I get a copy of my trust if I'm a beneficiary.
Right. I mean, as a beneficiary, you have certain right to request information and documentation from that trustee. The quickest way to do it is just to ask the trustee, assuming that there's no shenanigans. Usually they will just provide that to you. But interestingly, under Virginia law, they don't have to provide you with any specific document. They have duties to provide general information. But if you want, the exact trust or an exact bank statement, they could provide you with a summary of it or some other way to get at that information without giving you the actual trust document. But you would want to see that actual trust document if at all
You would.
possible.
And if you have the right to get it if you have suspicion. So
Yeah.
the statute is 64.2-775 in Virginia, and that statute requires the trustee to inform and report. It mandates that they have to promptly respond to a qualified beneficiary. And if they don't, then what can you do, David? If the trustee is like, I'm not going to give you anything, or I'm going to give you garbage, or I'm going to give you something that's not right. What can a beneficiary do?
That's when you call a trust law attorney, and you're going to get an attorney involved to send them demand letters to that trustee and ultimately go to court and take legal action to formally get a copy.
Yep. If the trustee won't give it to your attorney once they send a demand letter, which I frankly find is very rare, if you get an attorney involved, you're going to get a copy of the trust and you're going to get information pretty quickly. And if it so happens the trustee doesn't believe the attorney, then the trustee is going to end up in court and going to end up providing it anyway and paying for it. So that's what you do to get a copy of your trust in Virginia. If you have any more questions, visit our website or give trust law attorneys a call.